Hi, I'm creating this video to show you how to create scenes. Scenes are the bread and butter of light automation in your home. This allows you to control more than one light at a time with your voice or via the app. So I press the button on my app with a certain scene and all the lights turn on. Again, push that same button, all the lights turn off. With voice, you request the name of that scene, Alexa, hey Google, turn on, turn off, so on and so forth. And this is how you create the scenes, and this is really where the home automation of your lights really starts to really benefit and work for you. All those voice controls, or as you walk in the door, you say one command and all the lights turn on. You're leaving the house, you say one command, all the lights turn off, so on and so forth. I'll now demonstrate the creating of a scene in the Lambon app. So once you've downloaded the app, connected your lights, named them, grouped them, all of that, you'll swipe across and down the bottom you'll see the scene button. To create a scene here, up in the top corner you have that plus button, so you'll press that. You have the option to name the scene, and I'll just name this one new. You can select a picture, you can take your own picture if you want, or there's just a basic gallery of certain pictures, so you can pick one there. I'll pick that one for example, and then I go down, and this is where you select your devices. You either select that device to be turned on or off in this scene. For example, those lights would be off, and if I click it, they would be on. And then I tick that 3 gang, for example, all those 3 lights would turn on. And I'll vary it up, I'll change it up a little bit here, and so you can see here I've got three gangs selected, and in that scene those varying lights from those gangs would turn on when I pressed this scene. When you start playing around with this on your own, then you'll really get a grasp of what you can and can't do. So I'll open up my Amazon app here, and what I'm doing here is I'm importing those scenes from the app to the voice control side of things with my Amazon speakers. And down here in the bottom, after I've clicked the scenes, I'll start discovering the scene. And this is very similar for discovering the devices in the first place. If you create the scenes and then discover the devices or import them into the voice functionality via Amazon or Google, Amazon's going to look for those scenes, look for those button controls, and import them. There's 2 key parts of this process that are very important. First of all, the creation of the scene within the app. So the independent app, so that gives you full control of the lights via the app, and picking which lights you want to turn on, and then what group of that 3 gang, 2 gang, 1 gang or button switch that you want to come on or not. And then the importation of that scene which you've created in the app to Amazon. So Amazon are going to search your phone and discover that and import that. So with the importation to Amazon, that gives you voice control of that scene. But if you create the scene in the app, then you have full control of that app via the widgets on iOS, and also my Android, and of course in the app itself. You can press that button at any time for that scene and those lights will respond. Importation to Alexa allows for the voice side of things to respond when you say the command and ask for that certain scene. Anyway, I just want to go over that because that's really important when creating these scenes, that 2-part process to really get the full use of it via voice and via the phone app for our switches.